Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Let's start by pressing and holding the upper button. After a second or two, this menu should appear on the screen, the shortcut menu. On this menu we have the Do Not Disturb mode icon right here, the one with the moon. Tap on it to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you want to turn off the Do Not Disturb mode, open the shortcut menu again and then tap on the icon again to disable it. You can also enable Do Not Disturb mode through settings, so let's press and hold the lower button to open the menu, scroll down, tap on the settings icon and settings. Let's scroll down, select the system option, scroll down, find the option called Do Not Disturb and tap on it. And here we can enable the Do Not Disturb mode by tapping on the switch and disable it. And we can also turn on and off the option called During Sleep. What this option does is basically in the app you can set up a sleep time, basically when you go to sleep and when you wake up. And if you enable this option, the Do Not Disturb mode will turn on automatically during the sleep time period. So if you have sleep time set up as I do, my Do Not Disturb mode will turn on 10:30 p.m. and turn off at 6:42 a.m. And I'm gonna bring our phone right here, open the Garmin Connect on our phone, select our watch to open the device page for it, select the user settings, and here we have the sleep time, and we can change it basically by tapping on one and changing it to whatever you want. Maybe something like 8:30, like this. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will turn on at 9:30 p.m. and turn off at 8:30 a.m. Okay, and that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.